Kanti inkulubaphathiswa yephondo laseGauteng uMnumzana David Makhura uthi mkhulu umgama osele uhanjiwe ngurhulumente wephondo lwayo uxhobisa abasetyhini kwezoqoqosho kunye nokubavulela amathuba ababewavinjiwe ngaphambili. Nangona kunjalo uMnumzana Makhura uthi eli lithuba lokuzibhenca kujongwe nalapho kusasilela khona ukuxhobisa abasetyhini.
We know there are many challenges facing women, but there are also battles we are waging on the economic front, on the social front, from education with regard to the girl child, from our schooling system to higher education. We have dedicated programs to empower women, starting with the girl child, young women in our universities. Our bursary in Gauteng is 60% of those that benefit from the Gauteng City Region Academy bursary are young women. And all our programs we undertake, we take stock of what is the impact of this program, each program on women. We will also be giving report on our economic programs across the province and what the participation and the stake of women in those programs are. We have a long way to go. We're looking also at social programs, healthcare, social development opportunities, housing, and also the participation of women in various sectors of the economy, including in construction and infrastructure.